Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adi Salim and my metric number is AA200174. So I will continue our presentation with chapter 2, which is literature review. So I will talk more or less about the literature review. We divide it into some parts. Firstly is the introduction. We talk about the roof itself as a structure that very important in a building. It provides us protection from any weather. Next is the roof covering. Roof covering is the most visual part of the roof. It is the material that we install on the top of the roof. It is also the main item that in our project, which is we want to develop a bamboo roof thing. So next is the background of construction of a roof. Shelter is one of the most important item for human life. To construct a shelter, we need to build the roof to make the shelter works. So next is the roof selection factor for a house. There are some factors that we need to take note on it to make sure the roof works well. First is the slope, the roof slope. It is important to make sure the water drain well when it is raining. Next is the material that we use for the roof. The right material for the roof is important to make sure the roof sustains for a long time. Next is type of the roof. The type of the roof basically is depends on the client and also the environment. For example, when the eclipse is always raining, the type of the roof we use need to have a slope. Okay, next is the importance of choosing roof. Based on the factor and the type of the roof, we need to choose the right design of the roof to make sure it sustains for a long time and works well. Okay, so next is the bamboo background. So we talk about the bamboo as a fastest growing plant in the world. We also talk about the texture on the bamboo that makes it very durable as a construction material. So next is the bamboo selection factor of roofing. We use the bamboo as a roof because it is lightweight, fast grow, and also strong durability. This element shows that the bamboo works well as a roof. It is lightweight, shows that the bamboo is easy to install. Next is this fast grow, that shows that the material is easy to get, and strong durability, that shows that it can sustain for a long time. Next is the type of the bamboo available in Malaysia. There are 59 species of bamboo in Malaysia, consisting of 7 generations, such as bambusa and diocalamus. So next is the importance of bamboo to be used to make a roof. We use the bamboo to make a roof because of the factor we stated earlier, that bamboo can sustain for a long time and easy to get. It also costs lower price from other materials. So next, the type of the treatment that we need to do on the bamboo to make it sustain for a long time. There are some treatments that we need to give to our bamboo that we want to use for the roof thing to make sure the bamboo can sustain for a long time and not easily get damaged from the environment. Okay, next is the problem encountered using roof other than bamboo as a material. For example, is the asbestos. Asbestos can cause us lung cancer. This is very dangerous for us to have asbestos as a material for our roofing. There are also zinc that can cause noise pollution when they are raining outside. So next is the comparison of using roof other than bamboo and roof made of bamboo. There are some factors that makes the bamboo as a better material for roofing. For example, the bamboo is more cheap other than other materials. It is also easy to install and sustain for a long time. Next is the cooperation of innovation of bamboo to make the roofing element in construction. By giving the bamboo some treatment, it can make the bamboo sustain for a long time to construct a better roofing. Okay, next is the impact of bamboo based based on the roofing design production. By using bamboo as a roofing material, we can make many new design of the roof, and also the roof can sustain for a long time as we need.
Okay, thank you for the previous presenter. So now I will present about the methodology in final year project of my group. Okay, next. Alright, the problem of raw bamboo. The construction industry has grown and developed rapidly, but the problem of defect and building damage persists particularly, and the problem of roof defects. Roof defects come in a variety of shape and size. The roof is most likely the most fundamental architectural element of a bamboo structure, along with the foundation. A well-designed and built roof is essential for safeguarding the bamboo structure while also adding to the beauty and pleasure of the room. Alright, next. Alright, next I will talk about a bamboo treatment. Bamboo treatment is Alright, next I will talk about a bamboo treatment. What is a bamboo treatment? Bamboo treatment is a process that removes the starch, sugar, and moisture content of bamboo, making it resistant to termites, fungus, and bugs. Bamboo has been treated in a variety of ways for many years, including traditional methods such as torching, smoking, curing, and whitewashing, as well as more modern methods that use various chemical treatments. Based on our research, the thickness of a bamboo roof required to make a roof is 35 to 40 millimeters, which means that thick bamboo should be available for use as a building material, particularly for roof will be exposed to summer and rain as well as many change in ambient temperature. Alright, chemical preservative used to protect bamboo from biological attack and deterioration are harmful with a few exceptions. Okay, next. Okay, boron salt, which are effective against borers, termite, and fungi, are the main component of non-fixing bamboo preservatives, except soft and fungi. Water is used to dissolve these boron salts. The water evaporates after treatment, leaving the salts inside the bamboo. They are non-toxic and can be used to treat bamboo products that come into contact with food, such as basket and dry containers. The sodium octaborate tetrahydride Na2B8O13 times 4H2O is an alkaline salt formed by combining boric acid and borax in a ratio 1/1.5. Okay, next. Alright, the traditional method. These are frequently utilized in a traditional community in bamboo-rich location. These are easy and expensive approach that do not require the use of chemicals or specialized equipment. Uh, The example of the traditional method is curing method, smoking treatment, whitewashing treatment, soaking method, and heat treatment method. Okay, next. So now it is a non-traditional method, which is chemical methods. We have discovered a plethora of novel treatment options for reducing bamboo degradation and making it less susceptible to insect assault. To ensure the long-term care of bamboo, this procedure employ chemical and preservative. When exposed to harsh conditions, this method gives better protection than previous method. Construction industry has grown and developed rapidly, but the problem of defect and building damage persists, particularly the problem of roof defects. So the example of non-traditional methods, which is chemical methods, is brushing method, spraying, dipping, soaking, and button method. Alright, so now I will show you a picture that all the method that I say it. Alright. Okay. This is a example picture that I have in my final year project report. Alright. In based on the traditional method, at the top left, it is a example of whitewashing treatment. And then on the top right is a heat treatment method. Then at the bottom left is a smoking method. And then the last one is a curing method. Alright, next. Okay, for the non-traditional method, which is chemical methods, on the top left is it is a example for dipping method. At the top right is a soaking method, and the last one is a butt end method. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.